guys, this is Anthony here from DIYautotech, Automotive Diagnosis and Repair. Today we're going to be talking about key fob battery changes. As you can see, I've got two Toyota units here. On the right, I've got a low energy Bluetooth keyless entry system, and on the left, you'll see here I have an old school Toyota entry system with alarm that you actually have to click the button in order to unlock the vehicle. We're going to take a look at both of these. I'm going to show you how to replace the batteries on both of these. Some of your newer vehicles, you'll be able to see that on the center console or on your driver's console that tells you that the battery needs to be replaced. And on these old units, just won't work anymore, or you're going to have to stand closer and closer to the vehicle in order for it to unlock. So quickly, we usually just take like a small flathead. If you have something plastic, that's actually better because these are made of plastic. You can see up here, got a little spot. You can just turn it sideways. We can open this up, and as you can see, this specific model here has a 2016 3-volt battery. And so what we can do is we can pull that battery out like so, and then we'll dispose of that as needed. We'll take a new battery of the same type. This is a 3-volt 2016 CR2016. Remove the backing. So this is now a charged battery. We will install that back in as necessary, making sure our panic button is placed correctly. And then we'll click this all back together, nice and tight. And of course, before we hand that back to the customer, we want to do a good visual inspection to make sure that nothing is broken or chipped and that it does work on the vehicle. So you can see here, I'm going to push this sideways to remove the key. And then down in here, you can take a flathead. It looks like this will be the easiest spot here. I'll take my flathead right in there and just turn it. And be careful with these when you open them up if you've never seen the inside. Now you can see on this one, this looks a little different, right? Because you've got your buttons here. Not only do you have your buttons, but you also have your wireless chip here. And on this unit, we're using a CR2032. So in this instance, again, you would remove this battery, put in a 2032 or a CR2032, and reinstall it in the fob here, like so, making sure that everything lines up appropriately, snapping it back into place, inserting the key back in, and making sure everything works as it should before handing that back to the customer. So that's a quick tech tip video for you guys on how to replace the batteries in your older generation and newer generation key fobs. Like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.